Okay, so this is another quick video on the cape for Snow White. Okay, and real quick, so this is our back. And so basically what you want to do is put your dress on, and then as you saw in the previous video is snapping in the collar. It's important to get that in first before you put the cape on. It makes it a little bit harder if you do the cape first and then the collar, if that makes sense. But anyhow, let's go back to the cape. Here we are at the shoulders, okay? And on the shoulders, on each side, you're gonna see, let's see if I can get, there we go. You got these little loop-de-loops, okay? They're like a crocheted thread, okay? Right across the shoulder. And then here's your hook from the cape, okay? So you're gonna hook it through these little loop-de-loops on each side. You got one, okay? So I'm just to let you guys know, I'm doing this one-handed, videotaping and trying to do this, so it makes it a little hard. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run the two sides towards the front, okay? Got the two sides now going towards the front. Okay, so, and then what you're gonna do here is snap. Here's this, where is it? Right here. These two get snapped together, okay? This larger piece right here in the center is like a bow knot, is what it is. So I'm just gonna put my phone, try to sit it back here. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, let's see if I can do this without dropping my phone again. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna snap these two together, okay, at the center. All right, I'm gonna show you a close-up of that before I do the bow knot. Okay, so here's a close-up. Those two pieces snapped, okay? There's two snaps, okay? And then next what we're gonna do is snap the bow knot, okay? So this piece is gonna go towards the back. Then this piece under here also has two snaps, okay? That's gonna go this way, okay? So those two are gonna snap into each other. So let me put the camera back again, because I have to use both my hands for this. So you can see, hopefully. Snap, snap. That's your bow knot, okay? All right, so let me just real close up shot of it, okay? I'm gonna pull it inside out so you can see the snaps. All right, so there's your bow knot, okay? So, I mean, it's up to you. If you can go two ways with this. If you don't feel like hooking it, you could get away without hooking it. I like to hook things at the shoulders only because it takes away some of the weight from the cape. Because a lot of times with capes, what happens is it puts a lot of strain on the neck and the chest area. So I like to put things, I like to carry a lot of the weight on the shoulders or sometimes even your back, so that it's, just not stressing you out, or not putting some strain on that front part. But yeah, hopefully this video helps. I like to put these videos together only to kind of help you guys out, because there's so many snaps and hooks and eyes to get these things to function and look nice, and not look sloppy. So anyhow, hopefully this helps. If you have any questions though, feel free to message me. Yeah, we'll talk soon.